The harsh truth about people pleasing. That nobody tells you if you're a people pleaser, you're manipulative. Yeah, I said it. Not because you're a bad person, but because every time you bend over backwards to keep the peace, you're trying to control how people see you. You want to make sure no one gets upset so you never have to feel guilty or rejected. You don't think of it as manipulation. You call it being nice. But let's be real. It's fear in a pretty outfit. Think about it. You've said yes to helping someone move when your back was already wrecked. Babysat while drowning in deadlines. Sat through parties you hated just to avoid looking rude. And now you're tired, resentful, counting the minutes until the day ends. So here's the plan. We're going to rip your people-pleasing habit apart, expose why you can't stop saying yes, break the mental traps that keep you stuck, and hand you brutal, guilt-proof strategies to put yourself first without losing your soul. Let's go. 1. Why you're addicted to people-pleasing. You weren't born this way. Babies don't apologize for crying too loud. Somewhere in your life, you learned that approval equals safety. As a kid, if you pleased parents, teachers, or whoever held power, you got rewarded. Disappoint them, and you got punished, shamed, or rejected. That pattern became survival. Fast forward. You're an adult, still terrified of someone frowning at you. But here's the catch. People-pleasing doesn't save you anymore. It slowly kills you. You give up your time, energy, and peace so other people don't feel uncomfortable. Meanwhile, you're filling yourself with resentment and self-loathing. And here's the sting. It's not kindness. It's control, fear, wrapped in politeness. 2. The 3 mental traps keeping you stuck. Trap 1. If I say no, they'll hate me. Reality. If they truly care, they won't. The ones who do hate you for setting boundaries, they were using you. That's not a loss. That's a filter. Trap 2. It's easier to just go along with it. It's easier right now. But long-term, it's emotional suicide. Every yes you don't mean teaches your brain your needs don't matter. Trap 3. If I make them happy, they'll like me. Nope. You can bend over backwards and they'll still vanish when you're no longer useful. People don't respect doormats. They wipe their feet on them. 3. How to burn your people-pleasing habit to the ground. Step 1. Get comfortable being disliked. Make it a sport. Say no, drop the 5-minute apology speech. Epictetus said it best. If you want to improve, be okay with being thought selfish or difficult. Step 2. Pick one non-negotiable boundary, not 50. 1. Maybe no work emails after 7 p.m. Maybe no lending money to repeat offenders. Enforce it like your life depends on it, because your peace does. Step 3. Question every yes. Ask, do I actually want to do this, or am I just afraid to say no? If the answer is fear, your answer is no. Step 4. Build your self-worth from the inside. Stop outsourcing your value to other people's moods. Do things that make you proud, even if no one's watching. Step 5. Stop apologizing for existing. Swap sorry I'm late with thanks for waiting. Sorry for bothering you with thanks for your time. Sorry shrinks you. Thank you makes you equal. Step 6. Adopt the they're allowed to be disappointed mindset. If they're upset because you said no, fine. They can be disappointed. You can protect your peace. End of story. 4. The truth that changes everything. Every time you betray yourself to keep others comfortable, you disappear a little more. One day you'll wake up and realize all those people you bent over backwards for moved on anyway. Marcus Aurelius nailed it. We love ourselves more than anyone else, yet we care more about their opinion than our own. The real danger isn't people not liking you. It's you not knowing who you are anymore. But the second you choose your compass, everything changes. People will either respect you or leave. And the ones who stay, they're the ones who actually deserve you. So next time fear tells you to say yes, pause, breathe, choose you. Not because it's easy, because your life depends on it.